Hi, I'm Alexis, one of the AmeriCorps volunteers for the 4-H program here at the UNR Extension Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. And in honor of National Strawberry Day, we are going to be making chocolate-covered strawberries. Did you know that the strawberry originated over 250 years ago and is a member of the rose family? It originated in French gardens when a Chilean strawberry and the Virginia strawberry combined. So an Englishman, Thomas Knight, he refined the strawberry in 1817 to what we know today. So in North America, with some of Knight's new strawberries and the parent plants, people began their own programs in the mid-1800s to produce more fruit. In the mid-1850s, people started with the Hovey variety, which led to the Wilson variety. Today, the strawberry is one of the most popular berries worldwide. The U.S. is one of the world's top strawberry producers. Many strawberries are grown in high tunnels, which are the squat versions of greenhouses. Most strawberries are grown in California and Florida. There are 3 types of strawberries: day neutral, everbearing, and June bearing. June bearing, those are the most common fruits for farming, and they produce fruit for a 2 to 3 week period during the spring or summer, depending on the variety. In 2017, the U.S. produced 1.7 billion pounds of strawberries, and 82% of those were meant to be consumed fresh, and most strawberries are eaten fresh. So this just tempers the chocolate, making it silky smooth. So strawberries are the 5th most consumed fruit in the United States. They are an excellent source of manganese and vitamin C. 8 strawberries have more vitamin C than 1 orange. And vitamin C produces a healthy immune system, and manganese helps build bones and heal wounds. So strawberries contain also folate and potassium. Folate helps with tissue and cell growth, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure and so much more. So just put your strawberries and let them set. You can put them either in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and then they're ready to eat.